With online renewals, we're making auto insurance more convenient for British Columbians. This video will walk you through the steps of renewing your ICBC auto insurance via your computer or mobile device. First, check if your personal ICBC insurance policy is eligible for online renewal. Some policies and changes cannot be renewed online. Online renewals can be done as early as 44 days before your policy expires and until midnight on the last day you're covered. To get started, you'll need to log in using one of our secured methods. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to see your policies. Choose your eligible policy and click the Start Renewal button. You'll need to confirm or edit some contact information. Review the consent boxes below. Next, you're going to choose a broker who'll review your policy once it's been renewed. You can choose from the listed brokers who you've recently worked with, or use the search function to find a broker near you. Choose your policy term and payment method. Options include paying a one-time lump sum via credit card or one of our payment plan choices. Make sure your vehicle location and mailing address are correct. You can also review and edit your listed drivers. Confirm how you'll be using your vehicle and read what is included in basic insurance. And then, confirm the discounts you may be eligible for. Check through your other coverages to ensure they meet all of your needs. If you need any changes or have questions, you should contact a broker. You can now review your renewal, checking to confirm that all the information you've entered is correct. Pay for your renewal using the method you chose earlier and click Submit. Remember, you'll need to keep a printed copy in your vehicle. You can choose how you'd like to receive a copy of your insurance documents by downloading a PDF to print at home, having a copy mailed to you through Canada Post, or picking up a copy at a broker's office. You'll also receive an email from us confirming that your policy has been renewed, along with a copy of your insurance documents. The broker you selected may reach out if they have questions about your renewal.